Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Elizabeth, and we're
Scotian Unicorn. Today, we are going to open up
a Canadian IMP.
An IMP, Individual Meal Pack. And this meal pack is, what is it?
It is hash browns and breakfast sausages.
Well, yes. And it is from 2008, and it is now March 12th, 2017. So it's old, but
should still be fine.
Well, we'll find out.
Hopefully, it'll still be fine.
All right. Well, we will
Zoom
in and show you what we have inside.
Okay, so it's just a regular brown paper bag with some lining, and we're gonna open it up. And what have we got in here?
This is what's in that.
So you can see our main bits are in the brown here. We got our good napkin. Let's pull it out. Need a little help? We got it.
Okay, so
this is the sausage and hash browns.
here we go, sausage and hash browns. And then
Crunchy cereal type 3.
and then we have
Tea and coffee whitener.
and then we have
Strawberry sport drink.
and then we have
Another whitener. Grape jelly. 2 of those.
hot chocolate. And then we have some ketchup. And then we have
Some coffee. 2 of those.
a
Beverage bag. It's got the nice little flipping the bottom so it stands up. It's got the lines and the instructions.
and then we have a little bit of sugar.
Some bread.
And then 2 packs of sugar. Some gum,
Chiclets.
chocolates, and a long spoon,
Woohoo.
napkin,
Like twice the size of my hand.
and then napkin.
Good sturdy serviette.
And then we
Not sure what this is. Seems to be like a peach flavored candy.
then here's a
Salt.
salt.
Little salt packet. Ooh. It's wet. That's not good.
This looks
Our wet nap. Some applesauce. Pack of matches. And the little survey that they fill out. It just has all of the different foods.
oh, and
And there's a little toothpick.
clean out your teeth after.
Okay.
Okay,
so the sausage and hash browns were packaged in 2007 on the 81st day, which would have been March 22nd, and then the applesauce was packaged 2007 on the 352nd day, so that would have been near the end of the year. We are going to keep the applesauce cold. We'll actually probably just throw it in the fridge to chill it up a bit. But the sausage, hash browns, and the bread we're going to warm up a little bit just to make it a little easier to deal with, make it a little fresher.
Okay, so opening up the sausage and hash browns, we have our little foil package, and it says it's by Baxter's. It's got little notches on the sides. The cooking instructions are right here in French and in English. So yeah, and also there's a little blurb. It's got the ingredients and the nutrition facts on it. Yeah. Opening up the applesauce. Well, fudge, this is hard. Just gonna wreck this box. There, finally. So we have our applesauce blurb, ingredients, apples, water, sugar, and ascorbic acid. Very short. Not a lot to it. It's all squishy. It's got the notches, and it's by Baxter's again. And yeah, pretty much the same.
Okay, so this is the beverage container. We're not going to use this today. We're going to hold on to it because we do go on adventures ourselves, and we'll probably hold on to it. But as
It's
you may
really
have,
cool.
you may have noticed from other videos, the bottom flattens out so you can actually stand it up and mix your drinks in it, hot or cold.
Makes it a lot easier.
And we are going to mix the sport drink beverage powder. And this one is strawberry. And Emily, did you want to open this up?
sure.
Now, it's not very powdery. It's all kind of
Lumpy.
lumpy,
And hard.
a little bit hard.
Quite a bit.
Okay, Emily, slice it
Or cut it.
kind of bit.
Aha, decapitated.
Okay, and that is
Can you see that?
how that works on.
It's supposed to be all fine powdery, but
It's
this is an old one.
kind of granulated. Anyways, let's dump it in there. And go ahead and add the water and use the signature long Canadian spoon to stir it up. Alright.
That's a pretty pink.
Yes. What color would you say that is, Emily?
Kind of red.
Kind of red.
Fuchsia. Fuchsia.
Fuchsia?
Fuchsia.
Okay. And did it all mix up alright? Is there any lumps?
There's still lumps.
Oh,
Keep
okay.
mixing.
I still hear it.
Okay.
You can smell it from over here. Smells very artificial.
What would you think that smells like?
Artificial strawberry flavor, definitely.
I think that
Is that good?
looks around. A little more?
It might be about as good as it gets.
Okay, so I think this is about as good as it gets.
Here, just gonna lift it up to the camera. It's very pink.
It's kind of reddy pinky.
It's very bright. There. I think that's good. Now we have our little main courses all heated up, but are we gonna do the drinks first? The hot drinks, or just save them for now?
Well, we can definitely get a hot water. You guys want to open up your own tray?
Yeah.
Okay.
Use the
There you go.
scissors.
So remember,
This was made a while ago. Made.
2007,
Yep.
81st day of 2007. So that was March 22nd, was it?
That was a long time ago.
That was the...
That was 10 years ago.
Yes. It was.
And what is the shelf life of these? 5 years?
Yep.
Yeah. So, it's a little bit old. Snip away.
Elizabeth, do you want to grab the bottom?
No, it should be fine. Oh, God, that's hot.
Well, yeah.
Should have seen that coming. Here, try with a different part. Yeah, that'll be better. Snippy, snip, snip. Just a little bit more.
Here we go.
Ah,
Okay.
Immediately you can see the bits of sausage and hash brown in there. Looks kind of mushed, but okay. Pour it out.
Let's have a look. Hmm. How's it stink? Does it stink good?
Yeah, it smells kind of like hash browns and sausages. Not like freshly fried, but I mean about as good as you'd expect from something that's been 10 years old.
Yeah,
That looks good.
it does look good.
It looks...
Round.
Yeah.
Very brown.
Okay, so I'm going to open up the bread here. It was in hot boiling water for a couple of minutes.
About 2, just to say it's not quite so dense.
Yeah.
I found it funny that it says here, do not eat. I know it means not the little package, but I thought it was funny. Emily, I don't think you got the seal. No, you gotta cut lower. There we go. Nice and warm?
That's what it looks like inside. That's what the bread looks like.
Kinda like a spongy,
Yeah.
quite dense,
Yes.
and brown.
Yes.
Like most everything else. So, what do we have next?
Guys, we have this applesauce, and
It's cold because we put it in the fridge
it's
for
cold and kind of squishy.
very squishy.
So
Open it up. Just gonna try and get it all in the bowl. So we're just gonna snip the tip. Ooh, brown.
it's very brown.
Yeah, make sure your arms isn't in it too much. Yeah. That's a good amount. You got it all?
I think so.
There it is. And again, we are looking at a Baxter's product. All right, so there's the applesauce. Looking brown. How's it smell? Does it smell okay? Does it smell like applesauce?
It smells like applesauce, yes.
That's good.
It's the usual brown of long packaged foods. Yeah, it smells like applesauce. It's a bit separated over there.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna whip up some
Hot chocolate.
hot chocolate here.
Make sure you get it below the seal. Yep.
Here it is.
That held up pretty well.
Yeah. Better than the fruit drink was. Okay, so this is hot water.
Hot water.
To 250 mils.
1 cup.
1 cup.
All of it?
Yep.
All of it. Will fit in the mug.
Perfect.
Right up to the rim.
Just big enough.
Okay.
Very careful.
In.
Give it a little smushing.
Yeah, maybe we should just pour a little bit of water in to start.
Make sure you get all the lumps out.
Okay, so
We're gonna put some whitener in it.
I'll try some whitener. Try black first.
The hot chocolate black. Oh no, coffee. Sorry.
Okay, so while Emily's mixing up the hot chocolate there, I'm going to start on the instant coffee.
Oh yay.
I think that's good mixed. Elizabeth, do you want to come give it a quick little mix?
Okay, see how the coffee.
I don't think we can.
Oh,
I'm
let's
gonna have
see.
to pour it into the mug first.
So,
Yeah.
I've got some hot water.
So we got a funny little cup. This coffee bends mugs. Thought it was funny.
Okay, and some.
I think this cocoa is stirred enough.
Coffee.
Nice and black.
Yes. Wow, it doesn't smell like great coffee, that's for sure. It does smell a little stale. Okay, let's steal the signature long spoon from the Canadian Rations. And a little mochaccino, that won't hurt. Thank you.
Squeaky floors.
Okay, so who's going to volunteer?
I can.
Who's brave?
I will.
Don't volunteer before you know what it is. What is it?
Who's going to taste
I will.
sausage and potatoes?
I think we should all taste it.
Hash brown. Yep. There you go. And here, in case it doesn't work out, just use this.
We've got a little plate here for spitting.
Yeah.
Here's the I do not like plate. Okay, so we're just gonna taste a little bit of this.
Try some potato. Smells okay. A little bit cold. Could have heated up for longer.
Okay.
Thoroughly potatoey though.
Tastes like boiled potato, really, with a little seasoning.
Yeah.
Sausage is good.
Let's try the sausage. doesn't have the firm skin on it. It's a bit dry, mushy. Definitely had better sauce, but this is old. This is old, so it might have been better when it was within its due date. I think I'm going to try a little bit of this fruit
I got
drink.
some ketchup here. Scissors.
Wow, very, very artificial strawberry. Tastes like Kool-Aid.
Ketchup over here.
Definitely artificial strawberries.
Yeah,
Definitely.
definitely.
Well, I wouldn't
Oh.
expect anything less.
Yeah, ketchup's a little brown.
It should still be fine. It's
Not-
ketchup.
Not bad. Very little separation, actually. I was expecting to be runnier. Oh, right. Well, yeah, we'll save a piece of your bread with that, eh? Grape jelly.
Ooh.
Well, at least we were all hoping we wouldn't get marmalade. I was hoping for the strawberry jam because it's pretty good. But not had the grape jelly.
Yeah, we were all
Exactly.
hoping no marmalade.
But where's peanut butter?
Did we not get peanut
Was
butter?
there no peanut butter? That's highly unusual for an IMP. Normally you get peanut butter.
Even two.
Yeah.
Curious.
Well, I know what I'm putting in the survey already.
Needs peanut butter.
Needs peanut butter. Alrighty. So, let's try. I'm going to dare to try a little bit of this applesauce here. You going?
Yeah, we're going.
There seems to be a little bit of, tiny bit of cinnamon, a little bit of sweetness, but not too much. Not bad.
Yeah, I was kind of expecting a lot, kind of more not tasting applesauce.
Do you guys try it with the ketchup? This stuff?
No. I was going to try this.
I was
Coffee.
gonna try the hot chocolate.
Ketchup's still good.
Alright. Instant coffee, black. Yeah, terrible. Absolutely horrible.
I am
Definitely bends the mug.
Definitely bends the mug.
I am going to try the hot chocolate.
Okay.
Let's hope it's better than the...
Coffee.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's actually not too bad.
Not too bad?
Well,
Not
I
too
mean,
bad.
It's,
Alright.
it's like the usual stuff, just no milk. Just water. You try? Yeah, try some.
That's not too bad.
It's hot. Could use a little bit of milk.
Yeah,
There's a little bit of milk.
could.
There. So there it is. It is there.
It's got nice foam on top.
Much better than the coffee, yeah. Yeah. A little weak. Probably would have put a little less water in it. Now the bread.
Our brick bread.
Yes. So here we go. Let's see if we can.
You can just hear how dry it is. Oh, it's nice and spongy. I'll give it that. Kind of not. You're smushing it.
Looks like
Really?
a kind of like a brown bread, doesn't it?
Yeah. Let's give it a little.
It
Oh,
might have a bit of molasses in it or something. Here,
Maybe.
let's-
it smells like that. Yeah, it's brown
Ooh,
bread.
yeah, yeasty.
Definitely.
Smell the. Wow, almost a little fermented yeasty. I think that's
Yeah, it
on-
smells very. I smell the molasses the strongest.
Stronger, yeah. I'm smelling that it's slowly turning into beer, maybe. What do you think?
I don't know. I haven't tasted
It
it.
could be better.
Definitely room for improvement.
And apparently, this is better bread than the MREs. But again, this is old.
This is how many years old? 10?
10 years old. Yeah. Yeah.
I'd be glad to have this if I was out in the army.
Like if you're starving.
It's okay bread. It's not
Yeah.
actually awful.
Mm.
I don't want to spit it out.
I would definitely pick something else if I did have the option.
Okay, so there was no
Wash
candy
it down with
bar,
some of
but
this.
we have the cereal.
Never seen cereal before in the MRE videos or the IMPs.
Oatmeal, I think, is what we saw. So here we go. Here, this is crunchy cereal.
Type 3.
Type 3. And it says add hot or cold water to taste.
It also says it contains coconut, so that's promising for me. I like coconut.
Mm-hmm. We have a tear line on it. And I'll bring this over here. There we go. So,
Let's get a zoom in on that. Looks like just got a couple of lumps and bumps.
what's it?
Seems to consist mostly of kind of a powdery and oats. Looks like we got some seeds in there of some sort.
Rolled oats and sugar. Sugar.
Yeah,
Okay.
instant oatmeal.
How about some warm water for that?
Oh, water and cereal. This is gonna be great.
Okay. There's our long spoon.
Got our long spoon right here.
Okay. It's got hot chocolate on it. That's all right. Stir.
Oh, looks like it already has some kind of milk into it. Seems to have some kind of milky powder.
Yeah.
Again, a bit of a rancid odor to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the age. I think I'm gonna
Not rancid, but just smells stale.
less than fresh. All right. Well,
I'll try it.
Same.
go for it.
Oh, God. Did I knock over the camera? No, I'm good. Just a little bit. Don't want to get sick. How is it? Is
It
okay?
could be better.
Do better.
Oh, aftertaste.
Here, you wanna put it there with
That is nasty.
that?
Oh, the aftertaste of that is bad.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, can I have some of that? What side did you drink from?
The side.
The side that has the lip mark. There you go.
Okay.
Great. Well,
Oh,
girls.
man.
That is nasty.
So,
Did we get everything?
I didn't add jam to the bread yet. So
Yeah, we should try the jelly.
let's do that. I think I want scissors. Oh no, I can tear this way. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty.
Dun dun dun.
Well, when you're thinking grape jelly, I think you're thinking purple. This is kind of a
Brownie color.
But it seems
brownie rust color.
seems to be an ongoing theme. But
Yeah.
you know, preservatives are preservatives.
So there is the
Rip off a chunk of that.
grape jelly on the
It's got kind of a purpley tinge.
bread. Yeah. Does everyone want to?
I'll try it.
All right, there we go. We have a brave volunteer here.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry.
Bless you.
Not happening.
Not happening. Okay, yeah.
Bad?
Kind
Is it nasty? Here, let me take a corner.
Oh, damn.
Is it that bad? I know I personally don't like grape jelly just as usual, but I'll try it. Yeah, it's as bad as the cereal.